Good evening, dear students. Welcome back to Tenali pathshala. As you know, I have started Sudarshan series. There, in the last class, we have started haloalkanes and haloarenes. Already first lecture is over. Classification of haloalkanes. If you have not seen that, the link is given in the description. Please go through that and then come to this one. In today's class, we are going to talk about nomenclature of haloalkanes up to competitive level. Yes. Let us begin the session. Nomenclature of haloalkanes. You know, any organic compound can be named by two methods. One is common system or trivial system. Another one is IUPAC system. Right? First we'll talk about common system. So afterwards I am going to solve so many examples also. Don't worry. Yes. Start with the common system. Common system or trivial system also it can call. So in common system, haloalkanes are named as alkyl halides. Look at the word alkyl. Means from which parent alkane it is taken, that alkyl name you have to write, followed by the word halide. Suppose chlorine is there, chloride. Bromine is there, bromide. Iodine is there, iodide. Like that. Okay. So let us say some examples. See, CH3, CH2, Cl. Okay. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. So it is derived from ethane, right? So name is ethyl. Chlorine is there, it is called chloride. So name is ethyl chloride. What is the name? Ethyl chloride. I hope you are getting. Okay, second example. If you take a CH3, CH2, CH2 and Cl. Then what is the name? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms are there. So it is called propyl chloride. If you want Br, you can take bromide. Yes, what is the name? Propyl chloride. Propyl chloride. Sir, suppose this type of groups comes. Then what to do, sir? Now see. Carefully observe. Now bromine is attached to this carbon. But this carbon is having one branching. When such a type groups are comes, then how to name in common system? That can be decided by these rules. So you remember the rules, guys. First rule, carefully see. If a halogen is attached to carbon, is having substituents. That means if halogen is directly attached to carbon and that carbon is having substituents, then what to do? You have to use sec. Sec means secondary. Short form is SEC. Sec. Secondary. When you have to use it, if two substituents are present. Carefully observe the pointer. Halogen attached carbon is having two substituents. Then it is called sec. Secondary. And if it is having 3 substituents, then it is called tertiary. Short form is TERT. T-E-R-T. We will discuss the problem. You will come to know what I am talking about, right? So, when halogen attached carbon is having substituent, halogen attached carbon is having substituent, then you can use a secondary or tertiary word. But this is not applicable to propane. Whenever 3 carbons are there, always use iso only. Their secondary, tertiary word should not come. It is an exception. Except propyl, which is always iso only. Remember this. And second rule, if alkyl branching is there, suppose halogen is attached to carbon and that carbon is having substituent, you can say secondary or tertiary. Suppose halogen is not at the branching, halogen is there at the straight chain, and if alkyl branching is there, means CH3, C2H5, such type of branchings are there, then what to do? Then always use iso and neo words, where iso stands for, iso is used when one alkyl branching is present, only one alkyl branching is present. We will discuss that examples, you will come to know. And neo, N-E-O, neo word is used when two alkyl branchings of same carbon atoms. Getting my point? If alkyl branching is there, iso or neo. And if halogen is attached to carbon, that carbon is having branching, then you have to use secondary or tertiary. For these two rules, you have to remember one exception. Whenever propyl group is there, always use iso. Their secondary, tertiary word should not come. Getting my point? Yes. Now we'll solve some problems so that you can easily understand what we are talking, right? Yes. Let us start with some problems so that you can easily understand what I am talking. Okay. See. First example, I will take this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I will write chlorine. CH2, CH2. Second one. 1, 2, 3. Here I will add halogen. And to this carbon I will add one CH3. Third example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Carefully see these three examples. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 chlorine. In all the case, molecular formula is same, but structural formula is different. Such type of compounds are called isomers. Already you studied, right? In first PU. Yes. See, if straight chain is there and you are not supposed to use any word, only you use N. N. Okay. Methith, prop, but, penta. Total 5 carbon. So name is pentyl chloride. N pentyl chloride. When you have to use N, when it is only straight chain. Okay. Pentyl because you know alkyl halide. Alkyl means how many carbon atoms are there? That you have to write. 2 ethyl, 3 propyl, 4 butyl, 5 pentyl. Already studied in first PU, right? So 5 carbon, it is a N pentyl chloride. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 carbon atoms are there. But here which branching is there? Alkyl branching. That only I discussed. No, here if suppose branching is there, if alkyl branching is there, if one alkyl branching is there, iso. 2 alkyl branchings are there, neo. Then what you have to use here? Only one alkyl branching is there. Therefore it is called iso. Methith, prop, but, penta. Total 5 carbon and one alkyl branching. The name is isopentyl chloride. What is the name? Isopentyl chloride. I hope you are getting. And here you see again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbons. Again 5 carbon only. But what is the main point here? You are observing 2 alkyl branching, right? How many alkyl branching you are observing? 2 alkyl branching. And you know, if 2 alkyl branchings are there, then the name is neo. So it is a neopentyl chloride. Neopentyl chloride. I hope you are getting, guys. N pentyl chloride, isopentyl chloride, neopentyl chloride. Sir, how secondary and tertiary comes? You give some example to that also. Carefully see. So if you want, you can take some screenshot of it. See here, fourth one. Now what I have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 carbon atoms are there. Now halogen is there at the branching. And I told you, when halogen is attached to carbon, and if that carbon is having substituent, then use secondary or tertiary word. Now carefully see, here halogen is attached to this carbon, and this carbon is having this side one substituent, and this side one substituent. Total, that halogen attached carbon is having 2 substituent, and if 2 substituents are there, it is called secondary. Yes. How many carbon total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is secondary pentyl chloride. I hope you are getting when we have to use secondary, when we have to use tertiary, when we have to use iso, and when we have to use neo. I hope you understood. Now move on to the next concept, and afterwards I am going to solve 25 solid questions. No doubt there you are going to discuss common name, both IUPAC name. Don't skip the video. Please follow up to end. Yes, we'll start with here it is a common name of normal compounds, that is straight chain, branch chain. Okay. Now suppose 2 halogen atoms are there. 2 halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon or same carbon. Then how to name them in common system, that we'll discuss. Yes. So I will rub this all things. Yes guys. For a common system of dihalogen compounds, what are the rules? You have to remember these 2 cases. Common naming of dihalides. First one, when 2 same halogens are attached to same carbon. When 2 halogens are attached to same carbon, then such a compounds are called as geminal dihalides. Already we have studied in the previous class. There we studied the classification of halogen classification of haloalkane based on number of halogen atom. There we have studied dihaloalkanes. There we have studied geminal dihalides, vicinal dihalides, terminal dihalides. Have you remembered when two same halogens are attached to same carbon, such a compounds are called as gem dihalides. What they are called? Geminal dihalides or gem dihalides. In such case, common names of such a compounds are alkylidene halides. This also we have studied in previous class only. Right? Those are called as alkylidene. Alkylidene. So, not getting, sir. Two same halogens to the same carbon. See, like this. Both the halogen atoms are attached to one carbon. Both the halogen atoms are attached to one carbon. Such type of compounds are called geminal dihalides, and in geminal dihalides, the common system naming is alkylidene halide. Alkylidene halide. Getting? Yes. Sir, how to name? See examples. See how many carbon atoms are there here? Two carbon atoms. So, the halogen atoms are attached to same carbon. We have to write alkylidene. Which alkyl group? Meth and eth. Two carbons are there. So, it is a ethylidene chloride. What is the name? Ethylidene chloride. Ethylidene. I hope you are getting. What about this case? Meth with prop are there. But what is the case? Here one branching is there, no? Alkyl branching, and I told you when alkyl branching comes, you have to use a iso word. So it is a isopropyl. Isopropylidene iodide. What is the name? Isopropylidene. Isopropylidene iodide. I hope you are getting. Yes. Now second case. Here when both the halogen atoms are attached to same carbon. Here when both the halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon. Adjacent means neighboring carbon. See here. When two same halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon, those are called as vicinal dihalides. What those are called as vicinal dihalides. Like this. See. Halogen atom is attached to adjacent. Adjacent means neighboring carbon. Here also halogen atom is attached to, carefully see. Halogen atom is attached to neighboring carbon. When halogen atoms are attached to neighboring carbon, then they are called vicinal dihalides. And when halogen atoms are attached to same carbon, then that is called geminal dihalides. In geminal dihalides in common system, they are named as alkylidene dihalides or alkylidene halides. And here they are named as alkaline halides. What they are named? Alkylene. Only one letter is different here. Alkylene. E-N-E. Here I-N-E. Where? Here. I-D-N-E. Alkylidene. Alkaline. Getting? Yes, sir, not getting. So take some examples, you can easily understand. See, how many carbon atoms are there? 3 carbon. So 3 carbon means which alkyl group is there? Propyl. You use E-N-E word. So what is the name? Propylene halide. Propylene halide means here iodide is there. So you have to write iodide. Propylene iodide. What about this case? Meth, prop, but. 4 carbons are there. And halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon. So 4 carbons are there. It is called butyl. And here one branching is there, no? Here CH3 is at the branching, no? It is not in the straight chain. It is at the branching. So iso word is used. So what is the name? Isobutylene chloride. Isobutylene chloride. I hope you are getting, guys. Isobutylene chloride. Here alkylidene. Here alkaline. I hope you are getting. If not getting, just go through the video once. You just take a video back and see once. Definitely you will get. First you take a screenshot. Yes, I hope you have taken a screenshot. Now this is regarding common system. Now we will discuss IUPAC system. Then I will explain some 25 solid different types of problems. We will discuss it. Okay? Yes. See guys, already first system, that is common or trivial system, is over. Now we will talk about the IUPAC system. See, in IUPAC system, haloalkanes are named as halohydrocarbons. Sir, what is that hydrocarbon? It may be alkane, it may be alkene, it may be alkyne. Getting my point? First word is halo, means chloride is there, chloro. Bromide is there, bromo. Iodide is there, iodo, like that. Generally we have taken halo. Okay. So whatever the respective hydrocarbon name is there, that is same. See, we'll talk about some example, you can easily understand. So how many carbon atoms are there here? One carbon atom. So one carbon atom means it is a methane, right? Actually it is derived from methane only. So what is the name? Chloromethane. What is the name? Chloromethane. Why methane? Because one carbon. What is the name of this compound? First you have to number it. And you know, in first PU, first organic chapter, numbering of organic compounds. You have to number in such a way that you have to select the longest carbon chain and functional group which gets lowest number, right? See that. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Second position only chloride will getting. So 2 chloro, total carbons are 3. So what is the name? 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. Always remember, whatever IUPAC nomenclature rules are there, all the rules are applied in haloalkanes also. Getting my point? Yes. So second position chloro group is there. So 2-chloropropane. What about this case? Now we have to number again. Because we have to select the longest carbon chain. So it is the longest carbon chain. 1, 2, 3. Second position, what is there? Second position, 2 methyl substituents are there. So what is the name now? 2,2. Yes. 2,2 dimethyl. 2,2 dimethyl. First position bromo is there. So methyl comes first or bromo comes first, alphabetical order. Methyl is M, bromo is B. In alphabetical order, bromine will come first. No, so we have to write bromo only first, not 2,2-dimethyl. Sorry for that. What you have to write? 1 bromo. Yes, 1 bromo. Next, second position 2 methyl. So 2,2 dimethyl. 1 bromo. 2,2 dimethyl with propane. I hope you are getting. 1 bromo, 2,2 dimethyl propane. This is the IUPAC name of that compound. I hope you are getting. Yes. And always remember, between number and letter there should be hyphen. Between number and number there should be comma. These rules already studied in first PU, first organic chemistry chapter, right? Some other example. See here. Here bromine is there, here chlorine is there. Now here 2 chlorines are there. And you know, we have to go for lowest locant rule. If both the halogen atoms, more number of halogen atoms are getting lowest number, that is the numbering value. See, left side 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position 2 halogens you are getting. And right side you see 1, 2, 3. Third position you are getting 2 halogen. Which is correct way? Second position 2 halogen. No. So 100% we have to number in left side. Yes, tell me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So second position what is there? Chlorine group is there. Third position what is there? Bromine group is there. Now while writing name, we have to follow alphabetical order. While writing the numbers, we have to follow the locant rule. While writing the name, we have to follow the alphabetical order. Here chloro, here bromo. C comes first or B comes first? B only, no. So what is the name? 3-bromo, yes. 3-bromo. 2,2 dichloro. 2,2 dichloro. 3-bromo, 2,2 dichloro. Methylprobute, butane. Sorry. 3-bromo, 2,2 dichlorobutane. I hope you understood. So what about this case? Now carefully see, I have taken here a double bond compound. Means alkene I have taken. Now left side you are having alkene, right side you are having bromine. Which will get highest priority? You know that lowest locant rule? Functional group priority. Always alkene comes first, then halogen comes. Correct or not? So always you have to write like this. 1, 2, 3. So third position what is there? 3-bromo. Prop 1 in. Just tell me. 3-bromo. Prop 1 in. In because double bond is there first position. Why we have taken 1, 2, 3? Why not 1, 2, 3? Because here in this fashion, alkene getting lowest number. So we should give alkene lowest number. Getting my point? Yes. So 3-bromo with prop. Prop 1 in. First position double bond. I hope you are getting. Now we'll discuss some of the most important questions for both common name as well as IUPAC name. Yes. You take a screenshot, guys. Yes, guys. From different sources I have taken the examples. Carefully see. So these are the total 25 examples we will solve. See, these are the some examples I have taken. Here I have taken 7 examples. We have to talk about both the common names and IUPAC names. My suggestion is just you stop the video. Just try to solve yourself. If you are not getting, then see the further. Yes. See here. Common system. What is the general naming for common system? Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. And in IUPAC system, they are named as haloalkanes, halohydrocarbons. Right? Alkyl halide. How many carbon atoms are there? 2 carbon atoms. So it is called ethyl bromide. In common system, what is the name? Ethyl bromide. So what is the name of this one? Methylprop. Total 3 carbons. So its name is propyl chloride. And it is a straight chain. We have to write N also here. N propyl. Which halogen is there? Chloride. N propyl chloride. What about this case? Now I told you, when halogen is attached to carbon, which is having 2 or more substituent, those are called as secondary and tertiary word. But that is except propyl. Correct or not? So already I have taken previously. So propyl always iso only. So tell me here, halogen attached to second carbon. So if first carbon you can write N. If halogen is attached to second, always it is called iso. So what is the name? Isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. Already we have discussed about this, right? Next one, methylprobute. Total 4 carbons. So straight chain. So it is a N-butyl. N-butyl chloride. I hope you are getting. What about this case? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 5 are there. Methylprobute. 4 carbons here. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 4 carbons are there. But here one alkyl branching is there. I told you, when one alkyl branching is there, we have to use iso. When 2 alkyl branchings are there, then we have to use neo. Correct or not? So here only one alkyl branching is there. So what it is named as? It is named as iso methylprobute. Total 4 carbon. Iso butyl. 4 means butyl. Iso butyl chloride. Isobutyl chloride. What about this case? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 carbon. But what is the difference here? What is the difference here? Difference is here halogen is attached to second carbon. Means halogen attached carbon is having this side one substituent, this side one substituent. Total halogen attached carbon is having 2 substituents. So halogen attached carbon is having 2 substituent. It is called as secondary. No. So what is the name? Secondary methylprobute. Secondary, correct or not? Methylprobute. Butyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride. What about this case? Halogen attached carbon is having 3 substituent. So it is called TERT. Tertiary butyl chloride. Tertiary butyl chloride. I hope you are getting. These are the common names. Now let's try for IUPAC. I do know in IUPAC system all the IUPAC rules are followed. Correct or not? See, first one, first position, the halogen is there, 1 and 2. So it is a bromoethane. What is the name? Bromoethane. You see second one, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So first position chlorine is there. So it is a 1-chloropropane. Halohydrocarbons. No. So first position chloro is there. 1-chloro. How many carbons total? 3. 1-chloropropane it is. I hope you are getting. Next one. See. 1, 2, 3. If you do go in this way, second position halogen. 1, 2, 3. This way also second position halogen. Whatever the position you want, you can take. 1, 2, 3. 2-chloropropane. What is the name? 2-chloropropane. What about this case? Again same. Numbering should be starts from right side because halogen is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane it is. So 1-chlorobutane. 1-chlorobutane. Next one. See, halogen is attached to this carbon. So numbering should be starts from this carbon. 1, 2, 3. Second position what is there? Methyl. First position what is there? Chloro. Alphabetical order. M comes first or C comes first? C only, no? So first you write this one. 1-chloro, 2-methyl propane. 1-chloro, 2-methyl. How many total carbon? Propane. Because select the longest carbon chain, no? 1, 2, 3. So 3 carbon means propane. Second position methyl. First position chloro. Chloro and methyl. Alphabetical order. Chloro comes first. Therefore, chloro we have written first. Okay, next one. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position you are having chlorine. This side 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position you are having chlorine. Which is correct? Second position, name it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second position chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4 means butane. It is a 2-chloro-butane. 2-chloro-butane. What about the IUPAC name of last one? Again select the longest carbon chain. Either 1, 2, 3 straight chain, or you can say 1, 2, 3 this chain. In all the case you are getting same. So I will select the same straight chain. 1, 2, 3. So you can select the below to top also. Bottom to top also you can select. In all cases you will get the same name. Second position methyl, second position chloro. Chloro, methyl. Alphabetical order which will come first? Chloro, C only, no? So what is that? 2-chloro, 2-chloro, 2-methyl, 2-chloro, 2-methyl, propane. Because 3 carbon, see here. 2-chloro, 2-methyl, propane. 1, 2, 3. Getting? So these are the common names and IUPAC name of some compounds. Now different types of compounds we will take. Just take a screenshot of it. Yes guys, we will discuss some more different problems. These are the some more problems guys. See, meth, eth, prop, but. Total 4 carbons. So it is a butyl chloride. What is the common name? Butyl chloride. So here straight chain, therefore you can use N also. N-butyl chloride. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 carbons are there and one alkyl branching is there. I told you. Whenever alkyl branching is there, we have to use a iso or neo words. One alkyl branching, iso. Two alkyl branching, neo. Here only one alkyl branching is there. It is a iso. Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. So it is a isopentyl chloride. Isopentyl chloride. Now next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5 carbons. But here halogen is present at the branching. So what you have to see? Halogen attached carbon is having here one substituent and this side one substituent. Total 2 substituent. Therefore it is a secondary. So what I told, when halogen is attached at the branching position, you have to see the halogen attached carbon. And that carbon is having 2 substituent, secondary. 3 substituent, tertiary. So here 2 substituents are there. Therefore it is a secondary. Secondary. Meth, eth, prop, but, pent. So it is a secondary pentyl. Pentyl chloride. Secondary pentyl chloride. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 5 carbons. But what is the difference here? Carefully see. Here halogen attached carbon is not having any substituent because here 2 hydrogens are there. No. So what you are observing? 2 branching of alkyl group you are observing. Only one branch of alkyl group is there. Iso. 2 branch of alkyl groups are there. Neo. So it is a neo guys. So meth, eth, prop, but, pent. Total 5. So it is a neo. Neopentyl. Neopentyl bromide. Neopentyl bromide. What about this case? So it is a 1, 2, 3. 3 carbons are there. During the classification of haloalkanes, we have studied when halogen atom is attached to carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond, that is called allylic. Directly carbon-carbon double bond, that is called vinylic. Said or not? So here, so both are taken same thing. You just change this one. See here, halogen attached to carbon-carbon double bond directly. So it is a vinylic. Meth, eth. So you can write ethylene bromide also, or you can write vinylic bromide. Common name is vinylic bromide. Why it is called vinylic? You studied already in classification of haloalkanes. If halogen is directly attached to carbon-carbon double bond, that is called vinyl. Correct or not? Yes. What about this case? Halogen is attached to carbon next to carbon-carbon double bond. And I told you, Where next to carbon-carbon double bond is there, that is called allylic. So it is a allylic bromide. What is the name? Allylic bromide. Allylic bromide. Now we'll talk about the IUPAC name. In IUPAC you have to write numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So first position chloro. 4 carbons means butane. What is the name? 1-chloro-butane. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third position methyl group is there. First position chloro group is there. In alphabetical order, chloro comes first. So what is the name? 1-chloro-3-methyl-butane. 1-chloro-3-methyl. 1-chloro-3-methyl-butane. Because 4 carbons we have selected. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two possibilities are there. But halogen is present at the left hand side. So we have to numbering start should be from left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second position what is there? Chloro. So 2-chloro-pentane. What is the name? 2-chloro-pentane. See next one. Now halogen is there at the right side. 1, 2, 3. Second position methyl, second position methyl. First position bromo. B comes first or methyl comes first, alphabetical order. B. So what do you have to write? 1 bromo, 2,2 dimethyl propane. Yes, 1 bromo, 2,2 dimethyl, 2,2 dimethyl propane. I hope you are getting. Next one. 1, 2. Correct or not? 100% wrong. You have to write 1 here and 2 here. If only 2 carbons are there, you can write anywhere. But more than 2 carbons are there, always give more priority to double bond. Here, if you write 1 here, 2 here, halogen gets a second position priority. And here, if you write here, here also 1. If you write here 1, here also alkene will get 1 only. So better to write here only so that both halogen and alkene gets lowest priority. So 1 bromo ethene. What is the name? 1 bromo ethene. Or bromo ethene also you can call it because double bond is there. No? Yes. Here double bond is there at the left hand side. Bromine is there at the right hand side. Which will get more priority? According to UPSC rules. Always give priority to double bond. So numbering should be starts from left hand side. Just tell me. 1 comes here. 1, 2, 3. So 3 bromo prop 1 ene. You have to mention the position. What is that? 3 bromo prop 1 ene. Position of the double bond. Why we have not mentioned here position? Because first position only we are having double bond and only 2 carbons are there. Availability is only 2 carbon means always first position double bond will come. Therefore we have not mentioned. Directly we written ethene. Getting? So these are some examples. We will discuss some more different examples. Still 7 more examples are there. Don't skip the video. Okay. Just you take a screenshot. Afterwards we will discuss some more problems. Yes. Yes guys, these are some more problems. See here. Here 2 halogens are attached to same carbon. And you know such types are called geminal dihalides. What these are called? These are called geminal dihalides. And in geminal dihalides already we have studied. In common system they are called as alkylidene halides. So alkylidene means how many carbon? 2 carbon. So name is ethylidene chloride. Already we have studied common system of dihalogen compounds. Correct or not? Yes, everything detail I have studied, given to you guys. Now here halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon. Adjacent carbon means these are called as vicinal dihalides. No. So in vicinal dihalides, common system, what we are calling them as alkaline halides. So here 2 carbon. So it is a ethylene. Here L-I-D-N-E. Here L-E-N-E. Ethylene chloride. Ethylene chloride. I hope you are getting. CHCl3. Common name for this one is famous one. Chloroform. CHCl3 chloroform. CHBr3 bromoform. CHI3 iodoform. Getting my point? Among chloroform, bromoform, iodoform, only iodoform is colored. That is yellow colored. PPT. Chloroform and bromoforms are white PPT. So usually iodoform test is used to detect the alpha methyl group. We'll discuss in the next chapter. Okay. Yes. CHCl3 is a chloroform. CCl4, common name is famous one again. Carbon tetrachloride. Tetrachloride. This one. Benzene with CH2Cl. It is called benzyl chloride. What it is called? Benzyl chloride. Benzyl chloride. What about this one? Common name. Here halogen is attached to same carbon. So it is called and next to benzene ring. Therefore it is called benzyl chloride. See the difference. Here it is benzyl chloride. Here it is benzyl chloride. And always remember, not all the compounds have common names, but all the compounds have IUPAC names. Getting my point? So now we talk about the IUPAC name. Yes, 1 and 2. First position 2 chlorine. What we can write? 1,1 dichloro. 1,1 dichloro ethane. 1,1 dichloro ethane. This one. What is the numbering? 1 and 2. 1,2 dichloro ethane. 1,2 dichloro ethane. What is the name of this one? Only methane is there. CH4. From the methane, 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorine. So what we can call 1,1,1 trichloromethane. Here only in one carbon is there. Therefore not necessary to mention the position also. So it is a trichloromethane. Trichloromethane. Why methane? Because only one carbon is there. No. Therefore. Here it is a tetrachloromethane. Yes. What is the name? Tetrachloromethane. Tetrachloromethane. What about this one? Here halogen. Always remember, halogen is attached to carbon, not on the cyclic ring. So carbon, straight chain carbon act as a principal chain. So remaining everything acts as a substituent. In methane, here chlorine is there, here phenyl is there. Both are acting as a substituent. So what is the name? Chlorophenylmethane. What is the name? Chlorophenylmethane. Chlorophenylmethane. What about this one? Dichlorophenylmethane. Yes. Dichlorophenylmethane. Why we are calling benzene as a phenyl, guys? Because here benzene is not actually benzene, it is a substituent. Getting? Because halogens are attached to carbon. So benzene acts as a substituent. When benzene acts as a substituent, it is called as phenyl. Already studied in first PO, first chapter of organic chemistry, right? So these are these different examples. Some more different examples with previous year board exam, previous year KCET and previous year NEET exam questions in the next class with in-text question I am going to solve. Okay? Yes. Stay tuned, guys. Don't skip the video. So I will give 2 homework. You have to comment that whatever IUPAC name you are getting for that. Okay? So let us check how much you learned there. See? First you take a screenshot. I hope you have taken the screenshot. See, I will give you 2 questions as a homework. See guys, so these are the homework questions to you. Try yourself. 2 questions are given. You have to write the IUPAC name. So you have to comment below what you are getting. So in the next class, I am going to solve in-text question from this classification and IUPAC nomenclature, and as well as previous year NEET and KCET MCQs which came from this concept. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is helpful to you, please subscribe for the channel and like the video. Please share at least for 10 people so that every student can get the benefit of it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.